What's that? Yeah, I got a tripod already.
Hey guys, we can start out here.
Don't move, guys. Don't move. Everyone don't move. We got landmines.
You go grab it, I'll kill everybody that tries to kill you. Yeah?
James, you be right behind them. This will be epic.
I'm going to be right behind James.
We're both going to be right behind you. You guys just run for the flag. It's just straight down there.
Yeah. I don't see it, but alright. You'll see it when you run that. It's like straight toe clock.
Yeah.
Give Jason some room. Give Jason some room.
Basically, just run right through those trees. You'll see it as soon as you come out. Oh, well. I'm probably going to get shot.
I'm going to run up. There's a bunker to the left.
Why are you wearing those things? Those aren't your night pants?
You get to the flag? Don't go for the flag. Just stay.
I think everyone's going for this one flag. Go. Get ready. Get ready. Get ready. Go. Go, go, go. We are the Commando Elites! Do we have it? Which flag do we have? Yeah, what the hell is this crap? Whoa, watch out, coming through. Oh my god, help me, oh my god. What the hell's accoutrement, James? Sorry, I'm like touching your ass.
I fucking see their spawn.
Oh, is that good or bad?
I don't know.
Come on, Danny. Do something sexy.
I'm watching him hit this guy.
Woo!
Howdy.
Howdy. It was very scary. Some bees are coming through. I think one of them hit my gun.
Oh, hit.
Woo! Woohoo!
Right in my face, bro.
Yeah.
Well, bro, get back here as soon as you can, bro.
I heard it, but I didn't know what it was. Do we have the flag?
Yeah.
Where are they at?
We'll fire it. Fire it.
So this flag's up right behind me, right?
Right there.
For sure?
Right there.
So we have it?
Yeah. That's what it said.
Okay. I wasn't sure. Just to clarify everything.
Gun hit?
Well, it was like a ricochet off your gun to your knee. I don't know.
Whatever.
Fuck it.
I hate this guy. I don't care, dude. Ow, that hit me. Whatever.
Yeah, I won't
He's
hit
not
my gun.
going, is it?
Oh my god, there's people over here. I'm pinned down.
You are?
Yeah, everyone's around me. Yeah, shooting at us. Fuck is that gun? Sounds like it's farting. Ouch.